Hey everyone, Titanium Justin here. Today I have two Roxon tools I'm really looking forward to showing you. We got the S502U and the S501U. Let's dive in. Okay, so this is the multi-tool with scissors. It comes with a drop point blade 7CR. It has a liner lock. And we have scissors on the other side. Then here we have just the pocket knife. Same with the liner lock. Now you're asking, what is the difference between these? Well, whether you get the scissors or the knife or any of their other multi-tools, we got two locks. We hit one lock, we hit the other, boom, pop that off. You're wondering, why am I taking the blade off of this? Well, I'll show you, and I'll show you how easy it is to put it back together. Boom. So there are 17 optional pieces you can pick up from different knife blades, serrated, non-serrated, razor blade for cutting, which I'm really excited to snag that one. Different shapes. You can even get a comb. These are great. Roxon has been a great company to talk to. They're very customer and people driven. I believe everything is 7CR. I've actually been using the pocket knife one, checking it out, and it works very well. And if you're looking for a multi-tool that can do anything or change out anything, maybe give them a try. I will link below.